Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning.
You're back.
Good afternoon and good night. Say that again.
You're back.
We're back, you guys. It's been, I'm smiling, yes, I'm smiling. I'm
Why
not
you
crying
smiling?
today because I have life and God is good. And I'm grateful for all the blessings that's been coming my way. And all the memories that I'm remembering about Grandma. You guys, it's been more than a week since we picked up the camera. Can you believe that?
Since we didn't.
It's been more than a week since we picked up the camera. It's been more than a week since we didn't pick up the camera.
That sounds more better.
Better.
But I'm not the English speaker,
That's
so...
okay, you're correct. It's been more than a week since we didn't pick up the camera. And we're happy to be back. Even though for you guys, it seemed like just about 2 days miss of vlogs. But for us, it's more than a week since we picked up the camera. So yeah, we're on to give you guys a little life updates. And all of a sudden, I look fat. All of a sudden, I wouldn't say fat. All of a sudden,
you took
my
a little stomach. I'm sure you ate a lot of fast food.
I have been eating unhealthy recently, and you guys will know why. Because y'all don't know this background that we're moving to a new house.
You look excited.
I am.
Okay.
You guys, we've moved into our new house. We're no longer at the old house.
And it's a mess here. We're in the middle of the walk. Oh, that's a good thing. I am in vacation for 2 weeks. It's walking vacation. And yeah,
We've been working non-stop. We've been doing so. Listen, since you guys saw the last video of me telling you guys my grandmother died, so much things has happened since then. We've moved. We have been unpacking. We've cleaned the old house. We've handed over the keys. We've been shopping for stuff. We've been building stuff. We've been creating stuff. Okay, go now down the bottom, okay? Down the bottom. Down.
It's a 20 brush. No, it's 20.
Oh, it's brush number 20. Yeah, that's the little brush for
Mama, it's a number 100 on it.
Yes, on my own is number 100.
Mommy.
Okay, you're paying down now. Down, okay? Down. Down lower, okay? Sit.
We push in the wire.
The kitchen wall is finally gone down. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. What a difference taking down this wall make. Oh, heaven. But it's a mess. But that's okay.
Ah oui, c'était, je sais, il y avait
A big difference. Look at that. The sun just hits right in perfectly. Look at that. I can't wait for the new kitchen to come. But he's doing a perfect job. He did a very good job. Good job. Look at that. What else did you guys miss? What else did they miss, honey?
About the new house, the Tyler bed, and...
Yeah, Tyler room is coming together. And he's sleeping in this big boy bed. Right now he's sleeping, and he, for the first 2 or so nights in the new house, our days he keeps saying, Mama, we're ready to go home. Mama, let's go home.
It's like he wanted to go back to his ex.
Yeah.
Home.
Yeah.
So it's an advice if you're moving and you have a kid that is that age. Oh, it's not easy to teach them that the house that you were in is no longer theirs.
Right.
And yeah, especially if in same times like us, you decide to take the move to like change his bed, to put him in a big boy bed. Oh, that's double change, man. I believe it will be fine. But
the first night,
yeah, for the first 2 days mainly, there was, oh, he wake up at 4 a.m. and he said, Mama, let's go home.
Right.
At 4 a.m. not going back to sleep.
That he didn't want to go back to sleep.
He never did that in his last 2 years.
And the second night, he woke up once about midnight. And the third night, he was good, which was last night. He slept through the entire night. So that was good. And this night, now he's gone to bed, and I'm sure he'll be okay until morning. So he's transitioning really well, and he loves his big boy bed. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would have seen a little sneak peek of his room, which is super cute. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, the link is down below in the description box. Go ahead and do so you guys don't miss out when I don't post on YouTube. But we are back. And for those of you who were saying that you hope that I get to go to Jamaica to my grandmother's funeral, good news, I'm going home. I'm excited and sad at the same time. I'm excited, one, because I'm going home, and I'm sad, one, because it's not a happy occasion. It's to go to my grandmother's funeral. Two, miss out on Babe's birthday because my grandmother's funeral is on Babe's birthday, which is going to be heartbreaking for me to deal with now every year, and even to miss Babe's birthday this year. Next reason why I'm heartbroken is that I am going without Babe. I've never traveled without Babe, and it's hard to leave him for so many days. It's gonna be hard for me, and it's just me and Tyler going, so I'll have to travel with Tyler alone, and that's going to be a challenge for me with Tyler and all his luggage and stuff. But yeah, we'll be okay. So yeah, you guys, I am going home in a few days to be with my family and to see my grandma one last time off and stuff like that. What else been going on with us, honey?
There's been a lot of things than regular things.
Yeah, we've been just focusing on the move because we have so much to do in the house now that we're here
together. I mean, we didn't have, except for 1 hour, we didn't have no help. It's just she and I with our little hands that we moved everything. And we're proud of that.
We're so proud of ourselves. And some of our stuff we tried to sell back, which we did a few stuff sell back, but some of our stuff we're going to redo them, like rewrap stuff, and you guys will see the finished look of everything as soon. But also a lot of things will be set back in our house because of me going to Jamaica, because y'all, summer tickets to go to Jamaica from where I am, just say it's no joke. But to God be the glory, I get to go home to see my grandma at her funeral. So yeah, that's good. But I'll miss my babe. I'll be crying on Babe's birthday. I know I'm gonna cry at my grandmother's funeral. So my grandmother will be buried on Babe's birthday, and then we are coming back from Jamaica on Tyler's birthday. So Tyler will be spending his 3rd birthday in the plane, traveling all day.
Time to go to bed.
So yeah, that's what's been up lately. But as you guys can see, I am doing a lot better. Honestly, for the entire week that we took off from vlogging, I had to take that week off because I was a mess. There is no way I could come on and be myself and say, hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I couldn't. There's no way I could. So I'm happy that I took that time off, because each day I just look at the camera and deep down I want to take it up, but there is no way I could take it up. So yeah, you okay, babe?
Yeah,
I had to take that day off. Oh yeah, there are many a nights where I just wake up crying. I couldn't sleep some nights. I've been just having so much going on, but with each passing day it gets better. It gets better, and I'm really coming to terms with the loss of my grandma and with everything that is going on around me. And though we'll have huge setback in our house, but slowly but surely we will get things done and everything will all come together. But yeah, I just wanted to come on to let you guys know that your girl is doing good. She's doing good, and thank you guys for all the love. You guys are so amazing. All the messages that I got on our previous video, there is no way that I could have replied to each and every one of you, but I make sure I show you guys that I read the messages, and you guys are just so amazing on social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, and not to mention on YouTube. You guys are just awesome, and I appreciate all the love and all the checking in my DMs on regular days just to see how I'm doing. You guys are just amazing. Thank you guys for all the love. And I'm doing well, and I'm going to Jamaica. I'm coming home, and I'll try my best to bring you guys along on this journey with me, and whatever footage I can get and whenever I can upload, you guys will be there. So yeah, all right, you guys, I am just, like I said, I'm just coming on to give you guys a heads up, and then hopefully you guys will be back to our regular vlogs Mondays to Fridays. Catch up and keep up. You guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys, hopefully.